So welcome guys to a new series, and in this video we'll be creating something similar to Laravel search. You can see this shows the search result from different categories, different topics, different headings. And we'll be creating a search engine that is similar to this, and we're going to be searching through different models and be getting the result. And I've made an example right here. So this is an example of what I did. I'm using Vue.js in Laravel, by the way, and this actually gets a result from categories, stores, and products. So in this video, we'll be creating all this. We'll be learning how to create this, and this is actually an advanced search because you can decide to do this with raw query, but at the end of the day you just end up with lines, unnecessary lines, and it's actually going to give you an headache. So we're going to be using a package called Laravel Searchable, and this will help us search different models in our and get different results from different models. For example, where we're getting a result from category, where we're getting a result from store and product. So this will help us to actually get different results from different models. So if we should try another search and another search, you can see we have one result from category, and if we search another, and let's just see that we have one result from category, one result from store, one result from product. And as I'm also going to show you how to output this result so that you can see this category doesn't have image, but the product has image, and the store has image, and the product has image, and it's still under the same view. So for this project, we're going to be using Vue.js and Laravel. So it doesn't matter if you're using Vue.js as a component in Laravel or you're using Vue.js as a CLI. It's all because we'll be using the API, by the way. And if I should open my inspector and I try to search, so let me try to search. You can see we're using the API, which you can see. So it doesn't matter if you're using React, you're using Angular, or you're using Vue. The logic is still the same thing, and you're still going to get the result. So if you check your response, you can see we've grouped this result from category, product, and store. So we've grouped this result. We're getting the total number of results, and I'm going to be showing you how to do all this in Laravel. So we're using a package we call Laravel Searchable, and this will help us um, to search through our models. So there is a basic way you can just use it right here. You can use it in your Laravel blade file, or you can just do it the way I'm going to do it right here. And also there is a link, so you can click on each result and it takes you to view the actual result. And if you go to store, you can see the link changes to store. And if you go to product, you can see the link also changes to product. So all this is what I'm going to be showing you in this series, and how to actually build them. So I'll see you in next video, where we're actually going to install Laravel and get started with Vue.js also. So I'll see you next video, guys.